In this tutorial, I'll show you how to capture action items in Confluence. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to the page where you want to track your action items. Next, click Edit to open the page editor. Place your cursor where you want the action item to appear. Type Action Item or Task and select the Task option from the menu. Once the task is inserted, enter a clear description of what needs to be completed. Be as specific as possible so everyone understands the objective and expected outcome. To assign the action item, type @ followed by the name of the person responsible for completing the task. You can also add a due date to help keep the task on schedule and improve accountability. Repeat this process for any additional action items you need to track on the page. As tasks are completed, team members can simply check the box next to the action item to mark it as done. After adding all your action items, review the page to ensure the assignments and deadlines are correct. Then click Publish to save your changes. Your action items will now be visible directly within the page, making it easier for everyone to track responsibilities and progress. And that's it. You've successfully captured action items in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.